The Zanu PF political commissar Saviour Kasukuwere claims that Temba Mliswa, together with the Vice President for MDCT Nelson Chamisa, went to the High Court on the midnight of the 15th in order to obtain the right to hold a rally on the 16th of October in Norton. They said this was done in order to disrupt the Zanu PF rally, again abusing the High Court authorities. ZimdiTv News attended the press conference in Norton and filed this report.
We decided to call this press conference to put on record the issues to do with the violence that rocked this area yesterday. Zanu PF has a very clear position. We say no to violence. We've campaigned by-elections in this country. We've won all those by-elections, and there's not one where the party was involved or let alone its members were engaged in violence. The disturbance of yesterday, we are not happy with the behavior of the independent candidate, Temba Mliswa, who caused so much problems yesterday. One, the stadium that he sought to hold his meeting is hardly 50 meters away from this place where the party has established its campaign headquarters. Number two, Zanu PF had obtained prior authority, had booked this ground, and the police authority dated the 10th of October for Ngoni Stadium. Communist Panga, the youth secretary, was having a meeting which was going to start at 2 o'clock at Ngoni Stadium. Temba Mliswa and company, including Chamisa, came to hold a meeting here, and they went to the High Court the previous night, midnight, to force or to get authorization to hold a rally here, basically abusing the law, abusing the High Courts. They sought basically to provoke the party into reacting.
You are watching ZimdiTv.
Are actually concerned that the residents of Norton have had to endure the tear gases that were thrown as the police sought to separate the parties. But what we're faced with clearly here is a case of outright provocation by Temba Mliswa and company. They just want to cause violence. Temba has seen his lost ground in this constituency. He won't win the elections. Hence, he resorts now to creating violence, fomenting violence, so that he can use it as a scapegoat when he loses. This was him organizing, charging the people to go and attack peaceful and quiet members of ZanuPF. And the evidence is here. And we'll show you the video. So we want to put faith, speculation in the media, and some of the runners' reports that seem to suggest that it was ZanuPF which started this violence. No. This was Temba who orchestrated, who planned, in connivance with the Chamisa of the MDC. Chamisa is only trying to seek relevance. If the MDC want to stand for elections, they should just put their candidate up. They should not hide behind an independent candidate. They say the electoral laws in this country are not fair. Why are they getting involved? They are coming here to support Temba. In actual fact, we know we are fighting this election with an MDC candidate. Therefore, it's no longer an independent candidate. It's a candidate who is representing the MDCT. So the MDC is chickened out from fighting on the electoral platform and has resorted to using independence because they're scared of being humiliated and embarrassed by being thrashed by our party. They're engaging the people door to door, and we are stressing to our membership no to violence. We are carrying out a peaceful campaign, a campaign that is devoid of violence, And we want to appeal the other contestants, especially Mliswa, to stop forthwith trying to foment violence, trying to cause violence. And they actually ended up yesterday banning a transformer. We'll go and show you where the transformer is. It was lighted by the MDC and by Temba Mliswa and the MDC. And the whole suburb of Norton has not had the power overnight just because of the ambitions of one little pompous character called Temba Mliswa. He wants to announce his entry into Norton through violence. We did not respond yesterday. We have called you to give you the facts. And here are the papers. And we are going to show you exactly, physically, where we are and where he tried to come and preach peace. Where he wanted to come and provoke others and end up charging on our supporters. We don't want this kind of behavior. Let's remain peaceful in the country. Let's carry out our campaigns in peace and let the best man win.
And what might be Temba's motivation to be involved in violent activities?
Well, Temba, as usual, he is a noisemaker. He wants to make noise. He wants to be felt. He wants to appear like he's holier than thou. He wants to be the only one who is correct in a country. He is the only one who has solutions to Norton. Temba was defeated in Urungwe. And today, he runs to Norton and thinks Norton will give him that base which he wants to use for his own nefarious agendas. But Zanu PF is not deterred. We are going to fight to the nail. This constituency was in our control, and we are going to retain it.
Kana muchida kuvewo kutanga kunzwa nyaya dzakadai mazuva ese garai makateya pa YouTube nekuklika button rakanzi subscribe munobva maita wokutanga pa ZimdiTv news kunzwa zviri kuitika.